Will AI take your job? Or will AI empower you, make you wealthier, and help you self-actualize? That's entirely a design decision by the people who build the AI, not a natural consequence of the technology. We're making a different design decision, putting you in the driver's seat. We don't let my daughter use a smartphone, but she has to have a tablet for school, and I'm worried about who or what she's exposed to. But I also want her to understand and master modern technology. So keeping children safe online is a constant and exhausting battle. And our big design principle at Aligned AI is that your technology should work for you. You should not be fighting it. So, how do we thread this needle? How do we provide the positive without the dangers? So how do we educate children to create and master the future of AI and technology without letting them fall prey to chatbots, exploitation, or attention stealers? To do this, Canvas provides the good things of the internet, the learning and the knowledge and the exploration, offline and in your own home. All the knowledge children could ever want will be there, thanks to our partner Wikimedia and other encyclopedias. Curated and age appropriate. All the books they could ever read, courtesy of the Hathi Trust and Project Gutenberg. Art and deep space imagery, textbooks and computing guides, maps of the world and academic research papers. All your children would ever need for a school project or hobby or a deep project of their own. All this curated to be safe and usable. The Canvas AI will be there to guide these children in their search for knowledge, not as a chatbot that makes all the decisions for them or pretends to be a fake friend. No, our AI will stay in the background, but like a reference librarian, will help the child clarify their question and hone in on what they are actually asking and on the sources that would help them. So, imagining that I was once again the 13-year-old boy that I once was, I want to know about girls. I can see very many ways how a query like this could go very wrong online. Well, my friend who's a girl, she stopped being my friend. I don't know, maybe just understanding why it happened and how to make sure it doesn't happen again. And now that their real question is clarified, Canvas is not going to answer it for them, but provide them with the resources so they can answer it themselves. Some of these sources are a bit difficult for a hypothetical 13-year-old, but that's deliberate. We think that children can benefit from looking at sources above their competence level to stretch a bit. And if they do choose to click on these sources, there will be an adaptive guide to aid them in understanding and assessing the quality of the source. We'll also be giving children all the resources they need to learn the foundations of machine learning, including maths, statistics, and programming, and hone their computing and machine learning skills, train their own devices, and ultimately control the AIs that may be around in their future. So, the next time your child begs you for a smartphone, ask them why. If it's to talk with their friends, get them a tin can, a balance phone, or a Big Me. But if it's because they need to improve their skills, then Canvas can offer them the good and useful parts of online, offline. In the first video, we introduced Canvas, which allows non-technical users to create powerful and useful apps in seconds. In the second video, we showed more of these apps, voice created and voice controlled. In the third video, We focus on the importance of privacy and how Canvas would give you your own AI running locally with your data. In our fourth video, we showed how Canvas could empower children by giving them access to great literature and self-motivating them to learn the technical skills to make their own programs and apps.